1. Scout the drop. Take note of the condition of the ladder, if it's a ladder drop, the steepness and roughness of the landing, and what the terrain would be like if you overshoot or undershoot the landing. 2. Roll up to the drop at a reasonably fast speed. If you are going too slow, your front wheel will dive as soon as it rolls off the edge and toss you over the bars. Too fast and you might overshoot the landing. 3. Get into your attack position when 2 seconds away from the edge of the drop. Center your weight over your pedals and keep your hands light. Bend your knees slightly. Keep your arms bent and relaxed. Relax your grip on the handlebars. Get your chest low, you want your upper body to be almost horizontal. Look at the landing. 4. Lighten the front wheel as it reaches the edge by pushing your hips back and lightly lifting up on the handlebar. The slower you are going, the further back you must have your weight to keep your front wheel from diving while the rear wheel is still on the ramp. 5. Keep your front wheel level with the takeoff until the back wheel leaves the ramp. 6. Maintain your stance with your weight back over your rear wheel as you begin to fall. 7. Extend your legs and prepare to soften the impact as you near the landing. 8. Absorb the landing by using your legs as suspension. 9. Have fun by exploring new lines and finding things to drop from.